Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're back here behind the fence in the nursery. And I checked one little nuke today, a starter hive brother, that the queen didn't come back. And then I checked this one right here, and the queen is back. She's laying. She's doing good. She just doesn't have many bees to help her out with. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you this one first. Don't fall off my stool. But it had 4 frames in it for a starter. They have not much on that side. Has nectar on that side. Now I'm going to turn it around so the queen's got a place to lay. And this one here was one that we put in there, and they building it out. They've got some nectar in there, and they're doing good. This one here is the one that the queen was on. It has brood and eggs and larvae over here, and this over here is eggs. I mean, not eggs, nectar, excuse me. We got some eggs down here, some larvae, and we have the same thing right here. And this one here, they're building up. So, what we're going to do here is we're first going to spray them down. I caught the queen. I marked her. We've got this frame here that we're going to mark and put in there. And we're going to stick it right there. That way they've got something they can build on. Now what they need to build with is some more bees. So we're going to lock them up. They've got their pollen patty, and they've got some peppermint. Okay, what we're going to do is, I don't cover this part too much. We're going to do it today. This is a piece of paper. That I get my stuff from Man Lake in. Should have cut it smaller, couldn't I? This is just a piece of paper that I get my Man Lake stuff wrapped up in. And we're going to take it and we're going to spread it out on top of this hive. And this is how we're going to combine these two hives this time of the year. Put it right there. We're going to cut some little splits in it so the bees can get to know each other. And once they get through eating this paper, I hadn't done this for a while, eating this paper, they'll be used to each other. And then what we're going to do is take my sprayer and spray a little bit of water around on it, make it easy for them. Then we're going to come over here and get this hive. This is the other little hive. This is number 1007, I think it was. And we're going to set it right there. They're right there now. We're going to take where the old hive was, and we're just going to move it. It ain't there no more. Okay, this hive here, what it has, this one here, they have some room that the queen can lay in. They have honey and they have nectar. They have the same thing on that side. We're going to push it over here for right now. They've got their pollen patty up there too, in case they get hungry. Well, was. This is one that they're going to be working on. Hope I'm not too close for it. We're going to stick it to where there's a full frame on both sides so they'll build it out quicker. This one is where the two queen cells were, right here. I don't even know if they hatched, but this has got some spaces where the queen can lay. It has some nectar and has some pollen on it. Stick it down there. This one has about the same thing. It has some places to where the queen can lay. It has some nectar. It has some pollen. But now that one has a lot of drone in it, so we're going to stick it back to the outside. Drone cells, but your bigger cells that they'll put honey in. They can't put any eggs in it. And we'll take this one and stick right here. We'll take this and stick it here. This could be a short one. Not cold today, not hot, but it is humid. And put that there. We're going to double up on their food. And I bought my pollen patties, and I don't know where I did with them. So if y'all can figure it out, let me know. Take this and put it up here. We'll find my pollen patties and come back. Not pollen patties, peppermint candy. Got a wax moth in there. Just that quick, people. Little baby thing. I think she was dead anyway. Put that in there. We're going to put their top back on. We're going to put our brick on there saying there's a mated queen in there. Now this top box here, we're going to close it up so they can't get out. And the only way they can get out is to go down. So it will be closed up. Well, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Let me know what y'all think, if I did right, did wrong, or just did. This is ones out in the nursery. We had all those queens from the blue queen. This number here is number 80 nursery. The queen came back to that. 1007 didn't come back. We'll check them in about a week and see how they're doing. Y'all have a marvelous day. Give us a comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and share. Y'all have a great day.